Right.
Okay. Okay, a bit done. Okay.
Thank you. You're too kind.
There's some gnarly bits. Those bits where it's going like sort of. If that was wet, that wouldn't be nice.
No, it's not.
Is it quite slippy?
Yeah. But it's dry, so we should be okay. But behold, the garlic and bluebells. You know, the river, the old railway track.
Yeah. I did a wheelie.
Well, yes.
Only a little. Over the roof.
It all matters.
Quite pokey.
It's really pokey.
Yeah. I'll have to look another little go.
Of course you can.
Come on! I'm really enjoying this, mate. Thank you.
That's all right. I'm glad you are.
Honestly, it's just like the old days.
Yeah, I know.
Brilliant.
Shall we?
Is it?
Cheers.
It's definitely lunchtime, isn't it?
Fuck, I'm starving.
And
I'm starving.
And I'm going to treat you.
Ready?
Does my knob look big enough?
Massive. Right.
3, 2, 1.
Super.
You've got a canvas sack.
It's got some tools in there. Some tools. Look.
You are?
Look.
No way.
See? Lovely.
Although the horn gets louder the faster you go.
It does, I know. Oh. Stay. Nice.
Alright, mate. Alright. On the way up.
Thank you.
I'm going to have like panini and chips.
What?
Panini and chips.
Oh.
I'm starving. See, the rear brake's very lively, but the front is reluctant.
That's okay, I'll take donations. So apart from the awful brakes,
Apart from who?
the awful brakes and the dodgy clutch, is it running all right?
It's running fine.
Good. I'll just deactivate it for you.
Oh yeah. Oh sorry.
You're welcome. Lunch, look at this.
If you want something cold as well, you can have coffee and a cold one.
Can I?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a rhubarb.
Which burger was that?
Just the beef
The
burger.
beef burger.
And the falafel and mozzarella toasty.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Can I have chips with that?
Thank you.
45.50 then, please.
Enjoy, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Super.
I didn't have any cake.
Oh.
They had a chocolate brownie, but unfortunately it was gluten free. I can't be doing that sort of nonsense.
That tastes like paper. You can't have, why didn't you have carrot cake?
Well, I'll have a bit of yours. Solids?
Oh no.
Take your time. Baby horse, mate. Baby horse. There's a lot of grumpy old f***s out walking today, isn't there?
Yeah, doesn't matter, it went morning.
So it must have been here on a tripod.
Yeah, go probably on the gorilla pod thing.
Thank you.
But apparently it's AdBlue is pig's piss or something, and it's supposed to lower emissions. It's just bullshit.
Yeah.
Where are we going now?
We're going to go that way. Okay.
On the bar.
All right. Oh, very good.